So hello everyone, today's topic is JEE Advanced 2021. So as we all know, we have just 1 month left for the exam, and I will discuss this 1 month in respect to different type of aspirants that are there currently. So see, first of all, talking about those who haven't got very good percentile in JEE mains. Okay, if you have got less percentile, so you must be thinking that okay, why will I give the exam? I won't be selected or whatever, right? So you must be thinking like that. So I will just say that giving the exam is not taking anything from you. It will only add on to your experience and you will learn something, right? So maybe after giving an exam you get some new thoughts and you can learn anything. So giving the exam is definitely not taking anything from you. Just it is a matter of some hours and you can give the exam. So you will only learn something. Okay, so you must give the exam, I think. Okay, talking about those who have got decent good percentile but are not very sure about giving JEE Advanced, and many of such aspirants think about dropping in year. Now if you are thinking of dropping in year, first of all, giving JEE Advanced right now is an opportunity, because this will let you learn a lot of things. So right now I would like to mention that thing from the movie Sultan. If you have seen the movie Sultan, if you haven't, you must see the movie. So what happens in the movie? Salman Khan goes first to see his level, right? And he doesn't win in the initial time. So he goes there to see his level and then prepares for 2 months. Then he comes back. So he realizes, okay, right now I am here. This is my mistake. This is what the opponent demands. This is what the need of the hour is, right? So he, gets to know about himself. So giving JEE Advanced right now, if you are dropping, is an opportunity. You must give the exam. So you will get to know, you will get those feelings. These things cannot be taught by anyone. So these things that you are getting a feeling and you are, learning the type of questions and how to give the exam, these come by experience only. So this can add a lot for your next year. Okay, so Sultan movie, Salman Khan prepares for 2 months, then come back and just wins. So this is the scenario with such students. So if you have got decent percentile and you are thinking of dropping, giving JEE Advanced right now is an opportunity. You must give. Not talking about those who are preparing so well for JEE Advanced, but right now they are confused what to do, because maximum preparation is done, but still a little bit of painting the walls, that last touch up is required. Okay, so talking about those, so according to me this should be done. If you haven't still practiced the previous year questions from Arihan 40 years or whatever good book that you have, Arihan 40 years is I think the best book for previous years. So if you haven't practiced of some chapters, if you're not confident about previous year questions of some chapters, you must repeat them or you must do them. Okay, so yeah, if you haven't done, you must do them. So first of all, become confident about all the previous year questions. If you have any chapter in the mind, oh, this chapter is not so strong, this chapter is what I need to take care of, do that from previous year. Okay, after the previous year is done, okay, and you have still time left. So after that you must do this book, Arihant Test Drive for JEE Advanced. Now this is a very good book, Arihant Test Drive for JEE Advanced. It has papers based on the new pattern. It has comprehensions, it has integer type questions, match the following, and all these things. So you will have a very good clarity and you will have a very good practice for the exam. Now how to do the paper when you are practicing. So how to do the paper? So I initially say do not sit for the 3 hours or whatever time the exam is for while you are practicing. You must do initial 2-3 papers as assignment. So you pick up the book JEE Advanced Test Drive and you pick up one paper. Now do that paper as assignment. Take 5 hours or 10 hours. Read the question, very taking a lot of time, whatever time you want. Read the question. Now practice it as assignment cum test. See how much you know. Okay, calculate the marks after that. If you take 10 hours for the exam, that exam, good enough, not a problem. So just see how much you know. If given a lot of time, this much you are able to score. It will automatically come from within you. Okay, next time I will take 8 hours. This should come from within you. Matlab 3 hours should not be a restriction. It should come from within you. This is one funda. So sit for 10 hours. Okay, give the exam peacefully. Take a lot of time. Okay, learn the things. After giving the test, analyze the test. What went wrong? Which chapter is weak? Analyze for 2-3 hours. Analyze the test. Calculate the marks. And you need to get minimum 50 to 60 marks. 50 to 60% marks. 50 to 60% mark minimum is required. And if you want to get a very good branch, marks greater than 70-80% is required first of all. So accordingly, whatever is your target. If your target is like IIT Bombay CS, so you need to get 90% above marks. So first of all, fix a target that I want this, and I am able to get this. Now for that you need this much marks. Take 2-3 papers and practice them as assignment. Analyze what went wrong. If some chapter is going wrong in all the tests, practice such questions more. Again give the test. Again analyze what went wrong. Why did the question go? So you need to analyze the test for 2 hours. Okay, this is very, very important. Otherwise people go into the same pattern. They give the test, get the marks. In another test they get the similar marks. So get into the same pattern, they are not able to move up. To move up, you need to analyze what is going wrong and you need to work on this. If you pick up 2-3 chapters, you practice such questions separately, then you again come back, your level will increase. Otherwise, you will move horizontally only, right? So after every test, 2-3 hours should be for analysis. Now suppose first test you give for 10 hours, then it will automatically come from within you that okay, I will give the test for 8 hours next time, then 6 hours. So time will be bound by your own will. This is important, right? Otherwise what happens? If you give the first test for 3 hours and you do not get good number, then you get demotivated. You feel I cannot do this. But this is not the scenario. You can do this, you have the knowledge. The thing is, you are not giving the exam peacefully, or you are hurrying in the exam, and all these things which are not helping you out, right? So if you go for it's a very good example. So if you go for learning car, so that person who teaches you car, he tells a very good statement generally that running the car at high speed is not a big thing. A lot of people do this. Now running the car in a crowded place at a speed like 10-20 is a big thing. So doing the questions peacefully first of all is one thing that is needed. So that ensures that you have a very good grip on the question. So after you have got the grip on the question, you are doing it peacefully and you are able to solve it, speed comes on its own. Speed doesn't come after using the pen very fastly. Speed comes when you are able to recognize the question just by the look. If you are able to see that okay, this type of question I have done this so many times. Now this is what speed is. Many teachers do the question very swiftly because just after seeing the question they know that this question has to be done like this. This is speed. Speed is not running the pen fastly. Speed is just recognizing the question. If you are able to recognize that yeah, this has to be done like this, this is speed, right? So these are the funda that you must take care of in 1 month, and in 1 month give 1 day to your revision of all the notes. Okay, ultimately when you go to the exam, you should be clear from your head, okay, I have done everything and nothing is there in my mind that this was left. So whatever is there in your mind, just clear it up. Okay, you feel like you have to revise chemical bonding, go revise it. So just whatever is there in your mind, do that. And in exam you should be totally confident. Okay, I have done everything. Now I am here just for the exam, that's it. Yeah, this should be what you should be like. Okay, and that's it. So I think 1 month, if you do like this, you will have a very good edge over other people who are giving the exam. And if you still have any doubts, feel free to write in the comments and we will discuss for sure. And you can definitely connect with me on WhatsApp also. Okay, we will see to it what is beneficial for you. Okay, thank you so much for joining. All the best for the exam. Thank you.